Hi everyone, welcome to another DIY here in Mama's Nook. Today's video will feature a quick and easy floating rose lighted vase. Before I begin, I ask that you please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified of new videos I upload. Let's get started. For this project, you will need the following: cylinder vase of your choice. I got mine at Dollarama. A submersible light. I got it at Amazon. Water beads, Michaels, although you can also get these at Dollar Tree already made up. Clear glass stones, some acrylic hearts, roses, and a floating candle, all from Dollar Tree. And lastly, water. Let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is put the submersible light in the bottom of the vase in the center. And I'm just going to place the clear stones around it to keep the light in the center. Now the nice thing about this light, it's remote control for starters, but it has multiple colors. So you can go with plain white, you can do blue, green, red. You can have them flashing. You can strobe them. You can have them fade in and out. So there's multiple choices. So next I'm going to put in some of the water beads. A few of the acrylic hearts. Now this is perfect for Valentine's Day, but also perfect for a birthday, Mother's Day, anniversary. Okay, and we'll put in a rose. I need some more beads in there first. Now you can also use real flowers for this. But these ones will last forever. As you can see, my water beads pop all over the place. I'll get those later. Some more hearts. and fill it with beads. Hearts. And we'll add the water. I'm just hooking this stick down in here to get rid of some of the bubbles. I'm taking out some of the beads. Okay, and now we're going to put the candle on top. And turn on the light. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate the support. Until next time, bye for now.